First off, I'd like to welcome everyone back. I'm Mr. Cool. I teach chemistry, physics, as well as astronomy. I attended Preston High, graduated here in 2010. During my time at Preston High, I was a member of the golf team as well as the baseball team. After I graduated from Preston High, I went to Fairmont State University. While there, I majored in education for chemistry, physics, and general science. I was also an active member of the American Chemical Society, where one of my duties was to design demonstrations to take out to local high schools to do for high school students to try and pique interest in high school students to go into chemistry-related fields. I grew up in 4-H. I was a member of the Lennox Lowell Workers. I attended county camp, state camp, and now I'm an adult volunteer for the Lennox Lowell Workers. I also volunteer at the county 4-H camps as well as the state 4-H camps. I'm also a 4-H certified shooting sports instructor for air rifle and muzzleloader. I also worked for the 4-H program for 5 summers as an extension camping instructor, or ECI. I would go all over the state during the summers, and I would go to different 4-H camps and I would help out and assist as well as do different programming activities throughout the state. A couple other hobbies I have. I very much enjoy golfing. Most of the summer you will either find me at a 4-H camp or a golf course. I also enjoy playing video games in the winter. I enjoy going to athletic events such as basketball, football. I enjoy going to any type of game. I'm a fan of West Virginia University Mountaineers, Ohio State Buckeyes. And in professional sports, I'm a fan of the Pittsburgh Pirates, the Cleveland Indians, Toronto Raptors, and the Cleveland Browns. Now that you've learned a little bit about me, let's talk about some things you'll need to do as you come into the classroom. As you come into the classroom, there'll be a couple things on the front table. There will be some hand sanitizer, some Clorox wipes, as well as some extra masks if you don't have one. You're welcome to use the hand sanitizer if you need a mask to take one, as well as if you'd like to clean your desk with the Clorox wipes. They will be sanitized daily, but if you'd like it cleaned before you come in, you are more than welcome to do that. In addition, there are some sinks to the side of the room where you can wash your hands. There is soap available. And as class has started, if you have any need for materials, there's paper, pencils, markers, folders in this cabinet over here. You will each be given an assigned seat. The seats will be spaced as far apart as possible to be able to best accommodate for social distancing as well as other health guidelines. Once you've taken your seat each day, on the projector there will be a journal question. You can see this is one from last year. As you come in, there'll be a place in Schoology for you to answer these. You will include the question as well as answer it. At least one journal each week will be a writing prompt. All students will have lab activities, whether they are virtual or in person. For those that will be in person, let's take a look at the lab room. It will be through this door. And as you come into the lab room, the first thing you will do is you will put on safety goggles. You will go to the goggle cabinet at the back of the room, get you a pair of safety goggles, as well as an apron out of your station, and then you can get set up to begin the lab. For the students that are virtual, we will still be covering lab safety. It is an important aspect of any lab course, even if you aren't directly doing hands-on labs. However, if you choose to come back to school this year or next year, or if you continue into any science classes in college, lab safety is a very important topic to cover.